This is the last bolt here. Put this in here. I'm talking to myself.
Hey, Roger, you want me to dry your clothes?
I'm already drying. Yeah, they're drying. And that's the last bolt, so now we're going to put this thing outside. Damn it. Out with the old and with the new. Anyways, folks, this is supposed to be a new alternative to a box spring here. We're going to see how it works as I pull it out. I actually like it better because it's lighter, easier to move, you know, so we'll see here. Let me get this out of the box. And folks, all you do is I'm talking to the camera. All you do, folks, is you get this little notch here, and all you gotta do is basically snap it together. You just sink that one right down there, like that, and then you stretch the legs out to make sure it falls in. Be sure that the legs are all the way out, full extension. And let me check the front one here. Yeah, that's where the Cougars play, man, and that's the Cub. That's where we all used to go on as kids. Kevin, Mike, all of us from Pullman, because we had nowhere else to hang out. And my father used to work at that building there when he first came to Pullman. I don't know what it is now. And this used to be the police department, right here. This used to be where the campus police station was. We finally got it in there. Getting old, folks. That winded me. But we finally got it in there. There's plenty of room underneath, as you can see. So, plus it's lightweight, so it can be slid from side to side. So, cool. Ooh. Yeah, even I'm getting up there. That winded me in the past. That wouldn't have winded me at all. But
For real?
yeah. Mainly because it was awkward, just because it wasn't solid, so I lost my grip there.
Just having a little fun, folks. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to my world. You know, it's all done in fun, but still, some people need to be lyrically smacked. You know what I'm saying? So with that, let's begin. Let's do this. Welcome to my last will and testament. This song's for you, like they say about the shoe. If the shoe fits, then I'm coming for you. And I'll simply allow the lyrics of this song to carry my message far and long. So have a seat, shut up, and learn to listen. My last will and testament, let's begin. Let's begin.
To my family, oh that's right, I don't have one. Brainwashed motherfuckers all think I'm scum. And friends, oh what the hell is that? The last time I had a friend, Al Sharpton was fat.
Life